Ankara is on the verge of finalizing a multi-billion-dollar agreement to purchase a fleet of Eurofighter Typhoon jets, signaling a pivotal moment in the modernization of Turkey's air force. According to a July 21, 2025 report by the Wall Street Journal, the deal, potentially valued at $5.6 billion, may soon be officially announced, positioning Turkey as a critical player in the revival of Europe's flagship fighter aircraft program. Negotiations reportedly include provisions for the delivery of as many as 40 Typhoon fighters. However, insiders suggest that both the total number and the specific configurations of the aircraft remain under active discussion. The agreement would represent not only a substantial industrial win for the Eurofighter consortium, comprising BAE Systems, Airbus, and Leonardo, but also a strategic pivot for Turkey, which has long been reliant on American-made jets. The Eurofighter Typhoon, developed as a multi-role platform, is capable of executing a wide range of missions, including aerial combat, ground strikes, and maritime operations. With twin Eurojet EJ-200 engines and a design optimized for agility and power, the Typhoon boasts impressive maneuverability and speed. Its 13 external hardpoints enable it to deploy a mix of munitions, ranging from air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles to precision-guided bombs and anti-radiation weaponry. Technologically, the aircraft is outfitted with the Captor-M radar, and future variants will incorporate an AESA, active electronically scanned array, system to enhance detection range and targeting accuracy. Pilots benefit from integrated sensor fusion that combines data from the Pirate infrared tracking system and sophisticated electronic warfare tools, while secure networks like MIDS and advanced cockpit systems ensure streamlined operation during complex missions. Ankara has expressed interest in the Typhoon since 2023, seeing it as a viable replacement for its aging F-16 fleet, particularly after facing delays and complications in acquiring F-35s. However, earlier talks were hindered by Germany's refusal to grant export permissions, citing political disagreements and human rights issues. That stance has recently softened, with German authorities now more open to greenlighting the sale. Observers believe the agreement could be unveiled at Istanbul's International Defense Industry Fair, which is underway this week. Currently, Turkey operates a sizable air fleet dominated by various F-16 variants, including Block 30, 50, and 50-plus models, both single and twin-seat configurations. The Air Force also maintains a number of modernized F-4E Phantoms used in ground attack roles. Despite incremental upgrades, defense analysts have long pointed to the need for Turkey to bolster its capabilities with more advanced, multi-role platforms amid shifting regional dynamics and security threats. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan recently highlighted the growing support from both Germany and the United Kingdom for the Eurofighter deal, reinforcing Turkey's commitment to finalizing the acquisition swiftly. This move would not only provide a much-needed technological upgrade for Turkish forces but also lend renewed momentum to Europe's fighter aircraft program, which has struggled to maintain relevance in a market increasingly dominated by US-made fifth-generation jets. For the Eurofighter consortium, securing a deal with Turkey would represent a significant strategic and economic win. It could help sustain production lines and enhance Europe's defense export footprint while forging closer ties with a NATO member whose geopolitical weight continues to rise. As global defense alignments continue to evolve, this potential sale underscores how traditional alliances are being redefined through high-stakes military procurement.